So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description. We're going to be having a 32-bit download and a 64-bit download. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information, click on it, and then once you're on this, next to system type is going to be telling you, I want 64-bit, I want to be getting that one. If you want says 32 or 86, you're going to get the 32-bit one. So for me, because my Windows is on 64-bit, I want to be getting this one, the 64-bit version. And now we have it right here. If it comes up with something that says like, this file may be risky, this is because this file type is not commonly downloaded. However, this is a safe file, so you're going to click on keep. And then once you have the file, you're going to right click on it, and then click on show in folder. And then once you have this, you're going to right click on it, and then click on copy. And then once you've done that, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down, and then click on this PC. And now you're going to go to the drive where you have Windows installed on. Let's go down to the Windows logo on it. So now you're going to double click on it, and then click on Windows. Now you're going to scroll down till we find Sys64 and System32. So if you downloaded the System32 one, which is the one that I did not download, then you're going to paste that file into System32. In my case, I downloaded the 64-bit one, so I'm going to be going into Sys64. I'm going to double click on it. Now I'm going to right click and then paste it. And then continue. So if you downloaded the 64-bit file, go into Sys64. If you got the 32-bit file, go into System32 and then paste it in that folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be leaving down below two commands. One for 64-bit and one for 32-bit. For me, I got the 64-bit one, so I'm going to be copying this. Just going to copy this. Now I'm going to right click on the white tab, and then click on edit, and then click on paste, and then click on enter. And now it should be registered. Click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.